Good evening, everyone in Botswana, South Africa, Namibia, America. If you love me, please do vote for me so that I can go to Hollywood and become a star. I think I have the talent and the passion to go to Hollywood. So vote for me. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, good evening, and it's officially on your screen, Gemstones, and thank you for that. We're still at the Cresta President Hotel where we'll be having our auditions for today, so make sure that you come this side and showcase your talent. Today's show is going to be one of the best shows that you will never forget at home because we have the sensational performance from very young talented boys and girls right here in Botswana. The boys and girls further compare themselves with international celebrities. I'm talking the likes of Bonami Campbell, Rihanna, Tyra Banks, and the legendary Beyonce. So if you love them, please do vote for them. The next performance will be having Lerato from Botswana. She'll be singing a track titled Man Down by Rihanna. So enjoy the performance.